Living to Egypt.
Wow, I'm such a sneezer.
I'm back.
Ebenezer Scrooge.
I'm a sneezer. Ebenezer Splooge is what they call me. Uh-oh, guys. The alarm's going off.
Just put on my Crocs. Sports mode. It's getting real.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take all my clothes and pants off and stuff and just sit here at my desk and
Is that
kind
sports
of play
mode?
with my penis. Yeah, it's sports mode. My door like wide open in the hallway so any of my roommates can just walk by and just be like, he's in sports mode.
My key is E question mark and it says float Sam, which means water.
Flotsam?
I hardly know. What?
Welcome to Flotsam.
I'm wondering, like, were you trying to say flotsam just then?
What's that?
Hey!
It's an NPC.
I thought that was a player because he was running.
There's like
Yes.
definitely people right here.
It's like my FPS is just like capped at 25.
I just killed a player.
I got an assist for that kill.
I wish this game wasn't just like, it's. What do you think Hindi Chipmunk left at MP2 minutes?
It just looked like a bunch of random letters.
Jesus Christ, this guy's such a. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. This bitch said accepting prom date applications. It's so over. I gotta get off this app.
Oh nah. You should show up,
20,
dude.
but
Like 20, like, hey guys, like a full beard. Like, you kids want some beer?
I feel like 100. I hope there's like a guy here so I can blow his face off. I'm so angry. I'll go on foot. I'll go on foot.
I'm going with Alex.
Okay, I only crashed a couple times.
I wonder where they went.
I thought it would
Wait.
knock down.
This motherfucker cannot drive, dog.
Brenda Vows.
Righty-o.
Should be like, oh, it's literally. I found it.
Rivalty Smingers. Cutting this part.
Yeah,
Shut up. Stop being meta, dude. I'm leaving it in.
Cutting that
Fuck you.
part, too.
I'm leaving it
Yeah,
in.
you're
I'm
cutting
leaving
that
it in.
part.
You're gonna
I'm
leave it in,
leaving
you
it
make
in.
it a black-
Oh, I'm removing the part of us talking about keeping it in. Fuck you.
Are you gonna like bleep it every time I say?
No, I'm just gonna do like just a cut. I don't feel like adding a bleep sound effect. It's just gonna be like
every time I
a
say.
silent little skip.
Do like a sound, but like instead of the sound is just like Alex saying.
You know, like the old
He
style
says, like, the
Batman
Hindi chipmunk
cartoon
laugh.
that's like, it's like da 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 da.
Oh yeah, I know.
I was thinking of doing that, but putting like the naked mole rat hamburger over it.
my roommate just doing my fucking lobbies crackers.
It's like, oh, she's gonna say she has like fucking homework or whatever. She hits me with the like, sure, and I was like, yo, and then it just didn't happen.
I'm saying this dude's a fucking incel.
Yeah, base, but for real.
Minecraft is a game for like 4-year-olds.
Yeah.
I wish a fucking school bus would fall from like above your head and just land on you.
Oh my god. Purple enemy, purple. Holy fuck. It's like, oh jeez, Rick. The wheel landed on deadly poison.
The wheel landed on poison. Morty, we gotta get out of here. You don't know what
Drink
this means,
it.
Morty.
You gotta drink the poison. Kill yourself, Morty.
Yeah, do it for me, Morty. There's one of me, and there's infinite of you.
God, is it real?
I don't know.
Yes.
I've never drank poison before, Rick. Shut up, Morty, and then just like fucking like puts the bottle in his mouth and just tips it upward.
And then he like withers away in some horrific flesh lump. One van. Another.
I had a diffuse. I had.
You had this kid.
That British kid, and he's like, oh, this Calypso's fucking minging.
I have seen it. I just didn't comment because I don't think it's
Yeah, I
particularly
mean-
funny.
Oh.
What's the plan, Port?
Oh, you're flying. You think he saw me?
Yeah.
Flash.
Idiot, orange understood the assignment.
One stairs. Close. Yeah. Bro, let me ace. I hate-
Doesn't either.
Yeah.
For you, fucker.
Not hit.
Oh, I'm fucking popping off right now, dude. I'm so hot. My penis is huge. Oh,
Wife
He's just gonna
beater and
airdrop me
like
into Kabul and tell me to retake the city.
airdrop you. like
They
with
don't
the
give him a
like with the
parachute.
iPhone.
Cooper, I don't think you
it's
should
like
record
Kabul,
anymore.
Kabul gets.
They're doing the same exact thing.
Okay. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. I freaking dinked that dude, guys.
They're doing the thing, aka like.
You're gonna want to see this. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Guys, it's happening again. Like, spawn.
Oh, like a butthole. It makes me feel gross. Call it a boy hole.